Okay, I've been through enough for these last few days since the 19th up till now. I'm going to take these migraine tablets, drink my meds, and then I'm just gonna try and sleep this feeling away. Because I used back then, what I used to be is not what I am now. I used to always, when I feel like this, I used to run back to the drugs because it was the only thing that seemed to be working for the pain. Back then, I didn't have people who paid for me to go to a doctor, and that I would have been in pain the whole day. And if I went to the government hospital, they would just give me Panado, or they sometimes will tell you that they don't have. Because last time I was there, I needed vitamin C tablets for my hijack case for my leg. They didn't even have that there at their pharmacies. That's how poor the government is. They don't even have vitamin tablets for their patients. My parents had to go and buy. My mother, my single mother, that's also on pension. She's a survivor of cancer. But yeah, long story short, I don't like to make my problem yours. Luckily, God put me in a position now where I can have a person that can help me with my medication, and that's why I'm thriving, and that's why I am so clean. But this is a feeling that you have to accept, and you have to go through this withdrawals. You can't just drink the whole bottle of methadone just not to feel it. You have to feel it. If you don't feel it, you'll never learn. That's why Whitney Houston is dead. She had too much money. She never knew what she did to her body and the damage she's done. And once you come clean and you feel that pain, you start realizing the damage you did to your brain, to your body, to your health, to everything. But that's my story. Other people have different stories. I'm just telling you guys from my point of view. So I didn't just use a specific drug. It started with alcohol. And yeah, it progressed. That's all I can say. I've used everything. And I know what it does. It's not worth it.